Sure. Yeah, I think the most important thing is the ventilation, the quality of the ventilation in a space, because that can definitely have an impact on how long droplets and aerosols and things like that can actually last in the environment, in the air. So really making sure that you have a well-functioning HVAC system is important, especially in places like hospitals or in buildings where you will see people who are sick with COVID. And there may be some technologies that assist with that. But even just meeting your usual hospital standards of the number of air exchanges that you need for fresh air coming into patient rooms is really important. And hospitals should be taking this opportunity to make sure that their hospitals are functioning well with the ventilation systems. The second part of the question is, it's a big one. So what have we learned about limiting or even preventing future pandemics? I'll be honest, I don't believe that there is a way that you can prevent a future pandemic, truly. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen. The one thing we can try to do is discourage this sort of close gathering of humans and other animals that can be the origins of these pandemics. So things like wet markets, where we believe this particular virus originated from, can be breeding grounds. 2/3 of pandemic or new emerging infections within the human population have originated from animals. They're zoonotic. So I think that's one thing we can try to do to prevent the jumping of something that has the capacity to affect humans. It's a new virus or organism into humans. But ultimately, I don't know that we can be so audacious to say that we would actually be able to outsmart these organisms. This is something we just have to be prepared for, probably a little bit better. So there are some things we learned about this event that may be able to help us, the next time around if it happens again, hopefully not in any of our lifetimes. But things like investing in the systems that you need to deal with it, investing in technologies and systems and research into personal protective equipment and systems design and things like that in healthcare, I think are really important too. And I could probably go on for the rest of the session talking about different ideas, but those are a couple of really important ones that come top to mind.